My name's Alyssa,
My name's Laura.
and we're doing T-level health in adult nursing. I chose T-levels because it comes with really good opportunities like working in a real hospital.
And I chose T levels because it's very specific into what you want to do personally, which for me is adult nursing.
I'm Declan, I'm the course lead for the T-level in health. At the moment, T-levels are a really good opportunity for students that have a really career-focused mindset in terms of what they want to do to get really good hands-on experience. So the T-level health pathway will have you placed within a hospital setting, so you're going to learn some really sort of rare and unique, especially for 16-year-olds, sets of skills that will be very much hands-on. Obviously you've also got the full A-level equivalent in terms of UCAS points, which is really important for getting to university.
I really like the course because it comes with hospital placement and the subjects are really good. We do health and wellbeing, anatomy, biology, all the good stuff.
Nottingham College have really sort of jumped into the whole T-level and fully embraced it, and our facilities here are just unlike anything else within the whole region. For example, our health pathway has a whole ward which we've developed, which will give students access to some super rare opportunities that they're not going to get elsewhere, and that's established across the whole T-level at Nottingham College.
In this course we do a lot of classwork, but we also get to go into hospitals. This year we'll do renal, elderly care and diabetes wards, which I'm really looking forward to.
I'm glad I chose T levels because it just feels like second nature to me. It just feels right, do you know what I mean? It just feels, and especially with the other people on the course and the lecturers being very helpful.
I'm really glad I chose T-levels because it's a really nice environment being with other people who have the same interests as you, and it's just a really enjoyable course. I'm really loving it.